Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you to your favorite vegetarian channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. How are you guys doing? I always pray I find you all in good shape to watch my beautiful videos. In today's video, we are making something easy as always, and it's quite convenient. It's green chili. Let's get started already. For the ingredients, I have 1 large green bell pepper, my mixed veg spices, ginger, garlic, green habaneros and green chili peppers, scallions, 1 large onion and oil. I start off by blending all my ingredients. So I'm going to chop my large onion, and into the blender I also add the ginger and the garlic. It's quite simple. You just have to blend all ingredients and then you just start with the cooking process. Mind you, all my ingredients are neatly washed. Right after adding my onion, ginger, garlic, I added my scallions as well, and then my green bell pepper and the green habaneros and green chilies. I decided to mix the peppers to give it a really nice taste, and then I add just a little bit of water to make the blending process quite easy. Right after that, I cover my blender and set to blend. I blend until I have a really smooth paste or this fine consistency. Right when I'm done, I pour it into a bowl and set it aside. In my preheated pan, I add my oil and then I go in with my blended mixture and then I give it a good stir. That is all, guys. It's quite easy and simple. You will need to just let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I cover it to cook and then I get back after a while to just stir it up, cover it to cook until it's perfectly cooked. Green chili sauce is quite easy and convenient. On days when you don't want to whip up a whole meal or make stew or soup, you can just make this and then you can enjoy it with any side of your choice. Trust me, it's delicious. After about 15 to 20 minutes, I get back and my green sauce is almost ready. So I go in with my mixed veg spices. You can add any spice of your choice. I like my local spices or herbs, so I added it and gave it a good mix. I taste for salt, so I go in with extra spice and just look at it. My green chili sauce is ready. It smells so good. It has this nice aroma and it tastes delicious. It's perfectly cooked at this time, so I take it off fire, and guess what I'm pairing this with? My favorite, guys. I decided to pair this delicious green chili sauce with Macoms, yes, and then our very own star ingredient wagashi or cheese curd, and then I garnished it with onions and tomatoes. And I need not say more. I enjoyed it. Definitely try your hands on this. You can make it and keep it refrigerated. Anytime you feel sluggish or lazy, just take it out of the fridge and you can perfectly enjoy it with any side of your choice, as I mentioned earlier. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. If you loved it, kindly do well to give it a big thumbs up, as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Let me know what you're doing me trying this with. And guys, please share this video to your contacts. Until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye guys.